We just picked up this John Deere HR-18R propane heater, and I haven't found any videos on YouTube on it yet, or if I have, I haven't seen them. It is powered by a 20-gallon propane tank. Everything but the tank comes with it. Here's your knob, your igniter switch. Pretty self-explanatory. There's your first light, second, and a light all three. It goes 1, 2, 3. Like I said, I haven't found any reviews on it or anything, so when the temperature drops, I'm looking to give you all a good review on it. Feel free to comment, drop in, let me know what you think. And we'll see you all later.